So, good morning, everyone. So, hopefully, we are here into a meeting about the requirement of the student database that will be filled by each and every student, those who are pursuing either MBA FM or BBA at Iipm, which will be your central database for the students as well as your college faculty members, authorities, everyone. From there onwards, whenever data will be required by university or whatever it is, we will be forwarding the data to the university from that particular portal only. And hopefully, everybody must remember that before the generation of the admit card, this particular process needs to be completed by each and every students, those who are pursuing education at IIPM college. Okay, that may be either MBA FM or BBA. Please note we are already recording the sessions. So after the session is over, we will also be uploading the same to the YouTube channel. And hopefully from there, if required, you can have a look. And if any doubt arises from there, you can clear it up. So let us, first year students are also there. So we'll be starting from scratch. Second year, third year students already know what our website is and other things. Any student having any type of doubt, please do kindly write in the chat box. Video and audio facility has been disabled, so please do not try to unmute or on your video. Those have already been disabled for you. At the end, we will be giving the enabling the audio and video so that if any doubt is there at the end, we can clear it up. But right now, let us get into the session. Okay. So the first and foremost thing that needs to be understood by everyone sitting here is how to fill that student database that has been newly incorporated in our college website. So first, how to reach the college website. So as to reach the college websites, students, those who are new to this, can have a pen and paper with them to write things. So you can type the website or you can write it down: www.iipm.ac.in, www.iipm.ac.in. When you click on this, please have a look that this particular website's open. Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen. Mm, uh, okay, so I hope my screen is visible to everyone now, and let me wait for a bit. Yes, now my screen is visible to everyone. So what I will be doing, I will be opening a new browser where I will be typing www.iipm.ac.in. This is the website URL of our society under which three colleges are running here. Hopefully you all know. One is IIPM College, which gives MBA, FM and BBA course. That is our college. Another one is IIPM School of Management that gives MBA program under BPUT. And the third college is IIPM School of Engineering and Technology, which gives diploma course. So under in this website, you can have a look here. There is a school tab. Under school tab, three colleges names are written here. So we are into this IIPM, MBA, FM and BBA. IIPM, MBA and BBA. Please do click here. When you click here, this particular page will open, which is our college website. Okay, this is our college website. So everybody, second year, third year students are most probably visiting this on regular basis, maybe. But for students, this is the process how you can visit to your college website. Okay. So this is your college website. Once you reach here, please try to note down from here onwards what you have to do. Once your college website is open, everybody, as you can see, under the apply online tab, there are three sub tabs. What are they? Now click here to apply for something. It is written, it is not visible here. then migration certificate, and the third one is student database. So now the student database is important. Now the student database is important. You need to click on this student database. You can have a look here. This student database is important. This is the process which you need to undergo. So please do click on this student database. When you click on the student database, this type of form will open for you. This type of form will open for you. Please do have a look. You will be getting only one time facility to fill up this form. So please be very sincere while filling up this form. And while you fill up this form, please do remember that no error data should be given. No error data should be given. Rather, whatever data you are giving must be the best data that is known to you, because from here onwards everything will be taken to the everything will be taken to the university portal also. So from here, if you submit something wrong, the same thing will be moving to the universities, as a result of which it may so happen you need to run thrice or four times to the university to correct that after you pass out. During your college career, it will not come into account, but after you pass out and get the certificates, you will come to know that in certificate many things may be printed in a wrong manner. So that needs to be created. So this student database everybody needs to submit. First of all, when you open this page, this form will open. So here you just need to click tick symbol and ensure that this mail ID, whatever it is showing here, is your own mail ID. This mail ID, whatever it is showing here, is your own mail ID. If some other mail ID is being shown here, so what you have to do, you need to click on this switch account. When you click on the switch account, for example, let me click here. Suppose I'll be, that is not. So here all the mail IDs will be shown to me. If inside this also your mail ID is not there, use another account, click here and log in with your own mail ID. With your own mail ID. For example, mine, it is available here. So I'll be clicking this. Once I click this, it will be automatically loaded, and see here my own mail ID is now been shown. So when my own mail ID will be there, I'll just be clicking on this checkbox and making this tick. Once I click on this checkbox, the next thing that I want to do is I'll be selecting the course. What will be the course? MBA FM for MBA FM students and BBA for BBA students. Whatever is required, you can check here. You can check here for MBA FM or BBA, whichever is your course, you can check it here. Once you, suppose, let me check MBA FM. There is no distinction, so I'll be checking MBA FM. And after that, again I will be proceeding. Admission done in the year. Admission done in the year means what? Now, whether you have taken admission in this college in the year 2024, in the year 2023, or in the year 2022. For first year students, it is 2024. For second year students, it is 2023. And BBA third year students, it is 2022. Once you click, suppose I will be checking 2024. The next phase is write your name, student name. And please do remember, this will only accept capital letters. This form will only accept capital letters. So when you start filling up the form, please press your caps lock so that all things are being entered in capital letter. Do not worry for your mail ID also, because nowadays mail ID in capital letter also works. Okay, so previously there was a thing that mail ID, if it is there in small letters, it will not work, but nowadays it is working. So first and foremost, student name. Suppose I will be entering my name, Ajit Kumar Palit. Let me enter my name. Next comes my mobile number. Mobile number I will be typing 94372742267. This is my mail ID or mobile number. Next I will be entering is my mail ID. Suppose ajitkpalli at the rate gmail.com. The same mail ID that was shown above. So I'll be entering. Next comes your father's name. Father's name also in capital letter. I'll be typing it. Once father's name is over, enter your father's mobile number, whatever is your father's mobile number. And please do remember father's mobile number and mail ID is a must, because many a times it may so happen when you pass out from this college, after 1 year, after 2 year, many of the certificates do come, and many of the certificates universities also send it to your particular home. So it may so happen that after completing BBA or after completing MBA FM, you move somewhere to do your respective MBA, or your job. In job, you move somewhere. You change your mobile number. So father's mobile number is a must. You should give it, so as to whenever required, university can also send migration certificates or other certificates through this if required. They can contact you up, they can get a contact. There is nothing that we already have your father's mobile number in an admission file, but from there nobody will be searching, everybody will be searching from this particular mobile number. Then mail id, father's mail id you need to give. If father doesn't have a mail id, please write NA, not applicable. But it is better to give the data. If you do not have, then it is lapse on your part that your father doesn't have an email ID. But hopefully, we will advise that you should give your father's mail ID. If it is not there, worst case you can write not applicable. Then moving ahead, the next one is father's occupation. If your father is doing a job or something, you can write service. If your father is a farmer, you can write farmer. If your father is a businessman, you can write businessman. Whatever it is required, you can write here. Your father's occupation. Okay. Next, mother's name. You can again write whatever it is. It will be written in your capital letter. Next, mother's mobile number. If your mother doesn't have a mobile number, write NA. But if she has a mobile number, you need to enter the mobile number there. Next comes your mother's email ID. It is, if it is available, well and good. If it is not there, mother's email ID is optional. If she doesn't have, please write NA. Most of the cases they may not be having, but mothers, those who are having smartphones and other things, most probably mobile number, mail ID will be there. You can enter it. Next, mother's occupation. If your mother is a homemaker, please write homemaker. Housewife is a wrong word. Do not write if she is not doing any job or something. If she is there at your home, you should write the mother's occupation as homemaker. Okay. Next, if she is in service, you can write service. If she is doing something else, business, you can write business, whatever is required. Next comes your date of birth. Date of birth means what? You can click here, a calendar will open. In this calendar, please, from here, you need to select first the year of your birth, whatever it is. It may be 2000, 2001, 2002, whatever it is. Suppose 2000, then select July, then select second. Suppose 2nd July 2000 is your date of birth. So you can select it from here. Next, moving ahead, gender. Gender, male, female, whatever it is there, you can select. I'll be selecting male in this case. Blood group. Blood group, please remember, blood group when you write, if your blood group is B positive, write B plus, only this much. If your blood group is AB positive, write AB plus. There is no requirement of writing positive, POSITIV, not required. Only this much you can write. Nationality, Every student, hopefully, reading here, it will be Indian for everyone, and others option is not available. So hopefully, as I know, all reading here are Indian. Then religion, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, whatever it is there, you write it in your capital letter. Whatever is there, then caste. See, this is an important phase. Caste, if you are general, then it is okay, you can select it. But if you are selecting SC, ST, or OBC, please remember you must have the certificate with respect to your caste. Many students do tell, sir, I belong from OBC, but I do not have a OBC certificate. If you do not have OBC certificate, please select general because OBC is equivalent to general nowadays. So if you are on OBC, you must have a certificate. If you are not having a certificate, please do not check box or click on OBC and you say that I do not have a certificate. If certificate is not available, you are general. Same is the case for SC, same is the case for ST. So if you are having certificates for these below three, you can select. If you do not have, select general. After that, physically handicapped. If you have some physical handicap certificate with you, then only select yes. Otherwise, for most of the students, it will be no. Next comes your present address. See, this is an important part. Why present address is important, I am telling you. Address should be uh, in a proper manner. Please do not write address such as Liploi Rajganpur. Please do not write like that. If I need to write my address at Iipm, wherever I am staying, it will be care of C/O, your father's name, ANAN, comma. For me, it is quarter number 16 by 7, comma, South Colony, comma, Kansbahal, comma, District Sundargarh, comma, in 770034. So this is my total address. Everybody should write in this manner. Please do not write Liploi Rajganpur or Raniband Rajganpur. It may be Raniband Rajganpur, but after that your district name, pin code, everything must be there. So you need to write the entire thing. After that, please have a look. If your present address and permanent address are equal, you can just copy this and paste it here. If it is not equal, then again new permanent address you need to type it here. Once this is over, please remember from here onwards your what academic credentials do start. Academic credentials do start means what? I will be showing you one particular certificate of a particular candidate whom I mm, that certificate is with me. See that certificate, let me open it. After that, I will be showing you how to fill this from this 10th name of the school from where you passed 10th. Let me wait. Let the certificate open. I hope it is there. The reason beyond showing this is please do not write short forms. Many of the students do write short forms. Short forms means suppose Aurobindo School of Integration, whatever it is, you write SA dot dot dot. Please do not write that. Whatever is written on your certificate, the same thing must be written here. Whatever is written, this 10th certificate, let it open. We are going very slow, but everybody needs to understand what is happening. See, this is a 10th certificate of a particular candidate. See, the school name is Bimla Devi High School, comma line. So here you need to write the entire thing. Bimla Devi, then what? Whatever it is. Bimla Devi High School line. So everything you need to write here. Total full form. Do not write B D like that short form. B D S S line. Please do not write like that. Rather, full name needs to be written here. Next comes name of the council board from where you passed 10th. Again move to the certificate. It will be written here. Where? Now at the top of the certificate. Board of Secondary Education Odisha. Some may be CHSE, some may be ICSE, but please write the full form. Board of Secondary Education, comma Odisha. So write Board of Secondary Education Odisha. Entire thing needs to be written here. After that comes your total mark secure. See, in 10th, many students have got percentage and many students have got CGPA. So those who have got percentage, I will be moving to them first. Percentage means what? Suppose total mark secured in 10th exam. That is the total mark that you have secured in your 10th exam after appearing it. That means what? This 261. 261 is the total mark that the candidate has secured. So write here 261. Then comes what? Total mark out of which you appeared 10th exam. That is what? Now here it is 600. Total mark from which you appeared the exam. So that will be 600. Next, you have a calculator with you. Whatever is the percentage, you write it here. Whatever is the percentage, you write it here. How it will be calculated? Now 261 divided by 600 into 100. You need to write it here. So this is for percentage. Many students have appeared 10th exam having CGPA. Now, if the case is CGPA, so what you will write, please have a look. If the student have kept 8.5 CGPA, write 8.5. We will understand, or the university will understand this as automatically they will consider this as CGPA. And the full mark, total mark will be 10. For CGPA, the total mark is 10 and whatever CGPA secured will be written here. And what will be your percentage? The percentage will be 85. If 8.5, it is 85. 6.25, it will be 62.5. Likewise. Next comes year of passing. Year of passing, in the same certificate, it will be written where if I go to this certificate only, you will be seeing annual examination 2021. So 21 this particular candidate has passed. So here you can write 2021. Then division secured in the examination. If you have secured, if your percentage is above 60, it will be first division. If your percentage is above 50, it is second division. And it is above 35 and below 50, it will be third division. Next, this is all for 10th. 12th, only one extra thing has been added. Name of the stream in which you pass 12th. It may be science, arts, or commerce. If you are passed diploma or something, you can write here as diploma. But if you are arts, science, commerce, please select whatever yours is. Nothing to write here. Or only you select arts, science, commerce, whatever it is. Next comes name of the school, college from where you passed 10th. So as 12th, as you have written in 10th, you need to write in 12th. Name of the council from where you have passed 12th, that will be your ICSE, CBSE, whatever it is. You need to write here. It will be written in your 12th certificate. Total mark secured, total mark out of which secured, and percentage. You need to check if it is in percentage wise, you write percentage wise. If it is in CGPA wise, you write CGPA wise. As I have explained you already in 10th, the same thing needs to be written in 12th. Next comes year of passing in 12th. That will also be maintained in your certificate. You write it there. Next comes C. For BBA students, you need to remember here name of the college from where you passed graduation. BBA students, right now you are pursuing your graduation. So it is already mentioned here. Please write NA if you are pursuing BBA. So write here NA for BBA. For MBA FM, you need to write your college name. But if you are pursuing BBA, write here not applicable. If you are pursuing MBA FM, you write your graduation college name. Next comes what? Name of the stream in which you passed graduation. Please write NA. See, NA option is not given here. So I will be adding that NA here within 1 or 2 minutes after the meeting. NA will automatically occur. You can write here NA. There is no issue. If you are graduation, you can write science, arts, commerce, or BTech. Other will automatically appear. I will be adding it. But if you are doing BBA, so NA option will be there. Just click NA. And if you are MBA FM, select whatever is applicable to you. Next, name of the council board, university from where you have passed graduation. If you are pursuing BBA, again NA. If you are pursuing MBA FM, then you need to write here whatever it is. Sambalpur University, Utkal University, whichever university you have passed. Total mark, same. For BBA students, it will be NA, NA, NA. Not applicable, not applicable, not applicable. But for MBA FM, you can write whatever marks you have got. Year of passing, same thing. For BBA, it will be not applicable. For MBA FM, it will be whatever year you have passed. Next, please see whether availing hostel service. If it is yes, click yes. If it is no, click no. Next, whether availing transport service. If it is yes, click yes. If it is no, click no. Then after that, see, after that what happens? This declaration you need to check. Just put a tick, and after that you need to remember here some documents are needed. What? Now attach scan copy of passport size photo. Take a photograph of your passport size photo from your mobile, and it should be in JPEG format. JPEG format means what? The photo that you are clicking. So click on the add file. A dialog box will open. Click on browse. Your computer memory will open. From there, whatever is required photo, you just select it. It will automatically be uploaded. Just for an example, I am taking this photograph, and you can see that photograph is just uploading. Now it is done. See, the photograph is uploading. If it is in an error state, click here in the, means if you have by mistake selected some wrong picture, click on the cross, it will move. And again that add file will appear. You can click again and select the actual file. Same thing with your 10th certificate. You can upload 10th mark sheet, not certificate. The document in which your marks are written, that needs to be uploaded. And the photo must be taken from the original. Please do not take a photo of the Xerox copy certificate which you are having and don't upload that. So at least from the original you need to take a photo and upload it. Then attach scan copy of 12th mark sheet, that also needs to be done. Mark sheet. Next, graduation mark sheet, it is only applicable for MBA FM. For BBA, please remember you need to upload a white paper, blank paper. because you have still not got graduation certificate. You do not have graduation certificate. So MBA FM graduation certificate needs to be uploaded. BBA, just take a photo of a plain white paper and upload it. Next, attach a scan copy of Aadhaar card. So Aadhaar card photo, take a photo of your Aadhaar card and upload it. Next, caste certificate. Caste certificate is what? Now the OBC, SC, ST. If you are having caste certificate and you have selected the appropriate choice above, you need to upload here. If you are belonging from general category, please upload that same white paper here. Next, in a white paper, put your signature and upload it. Put your signature and upload it. And after doing this, while clicking on the submit, please remember a copy of the response will be emailed to your mail ID that you have given above. In that mail ID, you can check that whether whatever you have submitted, whether it has actually been submitted or not. If you are receiving the email, check your spam folder also, inbox and spam. If you have received the confirmation in the email, your job is finished. If you have not received, then something problematic is there. The data has not been submitted. Once you click on this submit, you will be over with it. So this is all about how to fill this form. After this, what will happen? For 5 minutes, we will be taking the question answer session and then we will be closing.